crafting quality plastics. Welcome to BKM, where innovation meets precision in the heart of Bremen, Germany, the city of the famous Bremen town musicians. At BKM, we take pride in being your premier partner for high-quality plastic products and components. As BKM stands for Bremen Plastics Manufactory, we embody the spirit of German craftsmanship and precision in every aspect of our work. With a commitment to excellence, we specialize in manufacturing top-notch plastic products and components for industries, businesses, and trade across Europe. Our dedication to quality has earned us a reputation as a trusted supplier in the market. From industrial machinery to commercial applications, BKM delivers tailor-made solutions to meet your specific needs. Our extensive product range includes precision-crafted plastic parts for various sectors. In addition to our expertise in plastic processing and production, we excel in the creation of high-performance bellows for the automotive industry, trucks, boats, yachts, construction vehicles, and machinery. What sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to quality, proudly bearing the Made in Germany label. At BKM, we adhere to the highest standards, ensuring that each product leaving our facility reflects the precision and reliability that our customers expect. Looking to the future, our dedicated team of experts not only delivers exceptional products but also offers comprehensive product development services. From concept to production, we're your trusted partner in bringing ideas to life. As your reliable manufacturing partner, BKM provides contract manufacturing services, allowing you to focus on your core competencies while we handle the intricacies of production. Join hands with BKM, your gateway to quality plastic solutions. Contact us today, and let's shape the future together.